Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar yen, I still think there's two options. I think option number one is that this is an ABC correction to the last 5 ways up, where I'm going to end up making 3 waves down looking like this and then continue the uptrend. Option number two is this really is the end of a wave 5, and instead of making an ABC, which would look like this, it would stretch out into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would look like that. Notice that it's literally exactly the same pattern until you get to about that point right there. So keeping it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this looks like an A, a B, and I still think there's a pretty good chance that we're going to end up going down for a wave C to complete either an ABC or maybe even a 1, 2, 3, like I showed on the higher time frames. The only difference between a wave 3 and a wave C is a wave 3 will not break structure like a wave C would. A wave 3 would continue to make lower lows, lower highs, eventually going down and taking out the low of wave 4. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down. I mean, yes, we've been kind of drifting up a little bit, but the trend is definitely still down. I really do not think that this downtrend is over. I mean, if anything, it's just a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it probably is just going to go up to like the 38% and then turn back down for a wave 5. And if this really is the end of a correction way up here, which it looks like it is, then this is actually just a subdivision of a much, much bigger downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we do have a breaker structure. So the trend is technically up on the 4 hour, but I think this is very likely just a correction to this last move down. I think this is an A, a B. We're probably going to drift up for a wave C, maybe to the 38%, and then I think we're going to go down, and this is either a wave 4 or it's a subdivision of a much, much bigger downtrend on the higher time frames like I showed on the daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think this first push up is an A. I think this is all very corrective looking wave B. I think more than likely than not, this is going to continue up for a wave C, probably to at least a 38%. Now it could turn into a 1, 2, 3, and if it does, it would maybe bounce from the 38%, but it will not break structure. Instead, it would just keep on making higher highs and higher lows in a wave 3. So really, we're just going to have to watch and learn, and maybe even learn and earn at the same time whether this move up right here is a wave C or whether it stretches out into a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.